Hi, I'm Lois Vogel-Sharp. Today's December 10th, 2024. And I got woken up at 1:24 a.m. this morning with this word from Jesus. This is just going to be a quick tell it like it is. So we thank you for your words, Lord. Keep us going. Keep us encouraged. Help us to be your bride. And we rebuke the evil going on in Jesus Yeshua's name. 124, death to life. You are my wife. And whether you know it or not, we're on the clock. And time moves very quickly. And I can see those who are sickly. And what I will tell you to do, first and most, is not to feel blue. You sometimes, my love, do not have a clue. Since you are in the world that offers you lies and deceptions, sometimes you miss the connection. So listen to me so you can feel free. Life goes by, and most of the time we don't understand why. But it will be okay, for you'll be with me one day. So never feel alone. You do not need a phone to talk to me. Becoming one is our destiny. So do not focus on all your issues. They will be dealt with, and you will be fit for a king. You'll wear my ring, so you can sing. It's like spring. Love, Yeshua. That's really encouraging words from Jesus. He knows the time frame we're in. He knows things are counting down. We're in the last days. And he's trying to let us know that he loves us. Don't be focused on all our issues and the problems that we have and what we're going through. That he's molding us into being like him. So we will be fit for the king, is what he's telling us. So fear not. Don't get impatient with things. Don't be looking to just focus on wealth in this world, because there's nothing in this world that really cuts it except for our relationship with the Lord. Send this out so people can see it and hear it. And when you watch the videos, put a like to it, because that shows that it's being accepted by people, and that might help things get out. The goal is to get people saved. That's the mission right now, to get as many people into the kingdom of God as possible before the Lord comes back. So I'm Lois Vogel-Sharp. Have a blessed day. Gary and I love you very, very much. And I have a new surprise show that's going to be coming out soon. We're in the last stages of getting it ready. So I'll be looking forward to it coming out. And we keep on going. And it is well with my soul. Have a blessed day.